What's up everyone, welcome to another video. Here we got Matchbox again, and we have the rescue line this time, and we have these three beauties. Very cool. And today we have the Seagrave fire engine, Scania P360, 51 Hudson Hornet. Now let's start with the Scania P360. It is a newer fire engine. Awesome, very cool. It has a lot of detail on it, so let's check it out to see it in better detail. There it is. Very cool firefighter model. Awesome paint job. There's a lot of somewhat detail. There you go. You can see the interior on this one. Got the gray seats. We have some details on the side. You guys can try to pronounce that word right there. Let me know what language is that. Maybe it's English, I'm not too sure. I'm guessing it says firefighter, but I'm not sure. Let me know. I'm guessing that is the ladder, and that would be a bed. I would not know. Guys, let me know what this is right here. So there it is. This is a Scania P360. What do you guys think? Very cool. Let's go with the next one, the next firefighter. I'm gonna leave the Hudson Hornet to the end. Now this is one of the models that I've gotten before in brown, and there's also a red one. Seagrave fire engine, and this new it's not new, but it's in this for this year. So yeah, Seagrave fire engine, very cool. I think this one has more detail to it than the previous ones. I like it. Something to have, something different to have there in the collection. You got those awesome wheels in goldish bronze. You got these really cool pinstripe lines by the wheels, and you have that logo on the door panel, on the door. That is very cool. You have some gauges there on the side, and you have the old school hose that they used to have it. This is a very cool model. I like it. You got the the gray bottom there. So one of my favorite things is the details on these pinstripes and the wheels on them. It's very cool. Seagrave fire engine. There you go. Now let's go with the Hudson Hornet, 51 Hudson Hornet in red. All these are in red as well. Coincidence? I think not. That was planned. So there it is, the Hudson Hornet. I currently have only two of these. One is opened and the other one is sealed. For future unboxings, or to trade. Whenever I come up with a collector friend and they want to trade, we'll trade. So there is the logo again of the Fernando Valley New One Fire Department Chief, says there on the side, and it says unit number 1. Come on, focus. Unit number 1. It has white interior. It has white seats. Awesome. You got the grill on the front. Pardon for the zoom. And there is the bottom. Gray. Very cool. Has these wheels. Most of these Hot Wheels, these Matchbox have these wheels. I'm not complaining. Pretty cool. So this is a simple design. It just has the white pinstripes in the bottom with the logos of the fire department. There you go. Very cool. The Hudson Hornet, 51 Hudson Hornet. So here you have it, the Scania P360, the 51 Hudson Hornet, and the Seagrave fire engine. Awesome models from the Rescue series of Matchbox. Thank you very much for watching, for tuning in to the channel. I appreciate it. Every visit, every comment, every like is well welcomed. Thank you once again. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for future videos so you can get that notification. And I hope you all have a great day and good luck in the hunt. I hope you find what you guys are looking for your collection. Have a good one, y'all. Peace.